My God, bro, I wanted to take that little fucking little bitch so bad. I'm gonna fuck his mother, bro. I'm gonna fuck his mother. I'm gonna fuck his mother in his ass.
I'm down, let's roll. What's good?
This is Miley. Miley's heated.
Oh, I can tell. What went down?
This fucking little bitch is just sitting in green zone talking a lot of that ish. So we're gonna post up here. We're waiting for him to leave.
Alright, which one is?
Yo, Miley, drop me around. Drop me around back.
Yo, fuck your mother, boy. You're a bitch, boy. You're gonna make you my bitch. And I drown you in my pool, you little punk.
Take a left, take a left, take a left, take a left. We're gonna go back, go back. We're gonna post up on top of this. If you wanna go and take this man over to the fields to make some money and shit like that, then go ahead. But yo, just leave that here. Yo, what are you doing, G?
I'll catch up with you soon, yeah? I'll catch up with you in a minute.
Oh, my bad. Nice click.
Heads up, bro. Heads up.
Hands up, my G. Yeah.
I'm not. Actually, you got. I don't think I can initiate. Yeah, you got it.
The purple guy can though.
Yeah, the purple guy can.
Go on,
Dave.
go on, Dave, boys. Listen, purple guy. Before you do it, handcuff him, get him on top of the building, and drop him. Come.
Just make sure you give me a reason to live.
Yo, you in there now, yeah?
Why are you driving, man? Give me that.
Yes,
I don't know.
Okay, so for every 100 you pick, you're gonna get 10k.
Alright.
Alright?
I'm gonna watch this show.
Hey, can I get a reason to
The more you
live?
pick,
What do you want? What's the reason?
the more loyal you
Can I
become.
get a reason to live?
What's the reason?
And
You pissed on my
obviously
man's
Kaz knows
car?
that he's good.
You fucking talking a whole lot of ish in the green zones and shit.
What's the
like
matter?
that.
What's the matter, Kaz?
I don't
Kaz,
know,
Kaz,
man.
Kaz,
I just
Kaz,
want a
Kaz,
reason
Kaz.
to live. I
What do
don't
you
want to
radio,
die.
boy? You need
What's
my
the
help?
reason to
I'll
live?
come
It
and
don't
fucking
seem
blow
like you
shit up
really
in the
have it.
Yeah,
fucking
but Ed,
green
the thing
zone,
is,
boy.
you
I
didn't
don't
give
give
me
a
a
fuck.
reason.
I don't.
Piss on my car. Who the fuck is
Ed,
that?
Ed, let's
Tell
get
him to
back
go
to
fuck his mother in his ass.
Talk to the government officials about that.
Yeah.
You talking
Nah, I
a whole
won't
lot
do,
of
bro.
shit, man. You asking for this.
Hey,
You asking
I
for
don't know,
this.
man. I want.
All I'm
What?
saying, bro,
God.
it's the purple people that's got to do it, not us. That's
Yeah,
on you.
well then deal with the purple
Hey,
people,
I'll.
man.
Alright,
You pissed on my
so.
buddy's car, and I found
Alright,
you
well,
outside
I want a
green
reason
zone,
to
let's
live,
go.
man.
What do
I
you
ain't
want?
The
gonna
purple
die.
guy's dropping him.
What's your reason?
I don't know. That's the thing. You gotta
Why?
give me one. I'm not
What's your
die.
reason to live? I have no reason for you to live. So
Alright.
I have no reason for you to live.
Alright, cool.
You fucking, you just talking
Wait,
mad shit. and
everyone,
you
wait,
ain't
I
job
go
up
to
this
the
fucking building.
watch. Wait.
What's up?
Don't drop it yet. We want to get an audience up
Yeah,
here.
let's get him.
Hey,
wait,
can I
just
please
wait,
get a
just wait.
reason to live, man? I don't want to die.
Oh, there it is.
I'm
Yeah.
kind of fucking worried to step on this.
Your reason to live, bro.
Hey, can I get a reason to live?
Don't drop him yet.
Don't drop him. Do not drop him.
Oh, hey, where you go?
Can I get a reason?
Oh.
That's suicide. You seen
Bro,
that?
it shouldn't have.
You seen that? That was
Oh,
suicide.
he suicided.
Bro, he did that himself. He did
He
that
did.
himself, bro.
He
Clip
suicided.
it.
Bro, he suicided.